Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay video on YouTube homepage. So let's start. First, open the YouTube app. Here on the feed page you'll see that some videos autoplays on load. This is called muted autoplay on feed. Let's check out some more videos which autoplays. And here's another one. Now let's see how it can be turned off. Tap on your profile icon on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on General. Here you will see Muted Playback in Feed. Tap on that. Now select Off. You can also select Wi-Fi only. Now if you go back to the home page, and you will see that the muted autoplay is now turned off. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.